Clash of Clans hacked version. Go to Google and type Nulls of Clash. And click the first website. Click download. It will be downloaded in few minutes. It downloaded. Go to share it. Go to recently. Go to local and apps and APK packs. It will be going inside to Nulls of Clash. Click install. It will be downloaded in few minutes. It's downloaded. Click open. It takes few minutes to go inside. It went. Just few minutes. It went inside. I kept my name as Hacker123. See the gems, gold. They gave us Town Hall 2 first and 750 trophies first itself. You can have second change scenery also, it is free. And night base also same. Go to shop. I bought Builder Hunt with my gems and it lessened. Go to some other base and visit and come again to your base. I going to visit another base. I visited his base and came to my base.